How to get unbanned from Rainbow Six Siege. Now, uh, the only method that we can try to do is to appeal on the temporary ban. To do that, just you can go ahead to the Rainbow Six Siege homepage. You can hover your mouse over to the services menu and then click support. Now, what is this message trying to refer to? This is actually trying to mention about Ubisoft. So what you need to do is to go to Ubisoft official website here, and then you scroll all the way down and then click support. Now you'll just have to explain everything on what specifically happened for you to be catered with the chat support agents. Now the process of that is going to be submitting a ticket to support center. In order to submit the one that I mentioned earlier, go to Ubisoft page and then click on support. Now, how long does it take to appeal a ban in Rainbow Six Siege? The duration to appeal a ban in Rainbow Six Siege may vary. It is best to contact the support center for more accurate information. So they will be the ones to do the review and the survey first before they can answer your ticket. So those are actually the troubleshooting steps on how you can get unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege.